Hello everyone. Introducing the Global Advanced Search for Odoo, a powerful Google-like search feature that helps you to instantly find any records or a data from the header menu. It's fully configurable, making navigation faster and more efficient. Let's explore how it works. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the settings. First, we can get into the user and give them an access rights. Now, let's get into the Mitchell admin. So, where you can see an option to add an manager access. So, we need to enable this access for a Google search. Okay. Now, if I get into the general settings, there is another settings we have. Let's scroll down a bit. So where you can see an option named allow global search. So here in this we can add a menu search. This is for a menu search. We can search a menu and also we can search based on the field wise. So for a menu we can just set up a limit over here. Okay, and for this particular search like a character, we can set up in how much character it must display the search. So for example, if it is an customer name and if it is a Germany furniture, so for that we can search GE. So it will automatically fetch all the records automatically. So based on the characters that we have set here. Now, once every setup will be done, let's get into the global search. Now, in this, you can see as a sample, I have created two records. One is for a sales, another one is for an accounting. Now, for the sales, you can see I have added display name, customer, status, and also we have an order lines too. So, for example, if you need to search based on the product wise or else total amount wise, we can make use of this to search. So, once we have added and one to many field over here, it will show a relations fields over here. Now, in this, we can add a relations as a list. So, if I click on the add a line, so you can see all the details about and sales order line. We can get a more fields and you can add it from here itself. Now let's discard as of now let me show you how it works for sales as well as an account. Now if I am in the main page, if I need to search based on an sales order or something, now I'm going to search. You can see at first it shows a menu. So these are the menus. As I have limited to 3, it shows only 3. And here in this you can see all the related sales order which are at Gemini furniture as I said before. If you click on that, it will directly lead us to an same record. I have given an access only for an sales as well as an invoices. Now let's get into here and let's search for the some of the invoice. So where you can see all the invoices. Okay, if I need to see a specific person invoice, for example B2B, I have a customer, so I can check based on the customer wise, or else if you need to check based on the product wise. Okay, I have a product 09, so if I need to search based on the product wise, you can see based on that too. And also it will support in multi-company. For example, I am in your company. Let's get into an Indian company where I have some sales orders. You can see here. Now let's search based on an okay, customer. Okay, so from here just I'm searching based on end customer. You can see on the top it is an in company related sales order will be displayed here. Now if I get into an your company, now we are in your company. Let's search for a record, Gemini Furniture. So you can see that the sales order will be related to your company. And now let's create a new global search for a purchase. So for that we need to click on the new and where we can create an global search for purchase model, where we need to give the model and the purchase order. Now in this we can enable the user. Okay, and here in this just I'm adding the name like a display name for example, and under that we can add an order line. So here is the order line. So if it is an order line which will be in one to many field, so I can add a relational fields. So where I can add a product name. Okay, and next we can add a total amount or something. Okay, so these can be done by using an one to many field. So now if I get into the main page, so where we can search based on the purchase order wise. So let's check for a purchase order where you can see all the purchase order which we have created. There are only two purchase order that we have. So these are all about our module flow. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.